Busted. Lawyers submitted Harry's fake US visa papers to judge as dates of application changed. Prince Harry has been hit with several explosive allegations as he stands accused of lying on his US visa application. Currently living with his wife Meghan Markle and children in Montecito, California, the former working royal's full-time visa application is being reviewed in private. It's only just been handed to a judge via Joe Biden's lawyers. Think tank group The Heritage Foundation launched a lawsuit against Harry after he admitted taking illegal substances in his tell-all memoir Spare. As applicants are asked questions about their illegal substance-taking history while filling out the form. A court filing seen by Newsweek read, "Defendant, the US Department of Homeland Security, respectfully informs the court that it's complied with the court's March 7, 2024 order by submitting declarations with attachments for ex parte and camera in private review." The DHS has said from the beginning that it cannot release Harry's visa documents because this would be a breach of his privacy. A previous court filing said, "Courts consistently hold that a person's visa or immigration status is private, personal information exempt from disclosure." Specifically, the records would reveal the types of documents that Prince Harry used to travel to the United States, his admission status, and any immigration or non-immigration benefits that he may have sought. However, the Heritage Foundation believes there's a public interest in revealing if Harry lied on his application. A previous court filing from the think tank said, "The case comes about in the main because HRH, His Royal Highness, voluntarily and for immense profit, admitted in writing to the elements of any number of controlled substance violations." Indeed, some say that Harry's approached the point of bragging and encouraging illegal drug use. The Duke of Sussex did so despite the fact that it's widely known that such admissions can have adverse immigration consequences for non-citizens, and despite employing preeminent legal advisors on both sides of the Atlantic. Judge Carl Nichols, who's overseeing this legal battle, ruled in March that he should look privately at Harry's documents to assess whether they should be made public. Last month, DHS requested an extension of the deadline because the documents couldn't be found. I wonder if it's the true application, especially since the government couldn't find them, or a new one, and the government people filled it out to make sure all looks correct. He never filled out anything, just like his wife never bothered to take the residency exam for England. His lawyers requested extension to actually create the application, and I doubt this judge will bother to check the dates and see if this was submitted back in 2020. It's all corrupt, and because Harry's dad's the King of England. If Harry answered no to the drug question on the visa form, he's rather entertainingly between a rock and a hard place. Either he lied on an official document, or he lied in his book and interviews. Either way, he's a fibber. No matter what, it's yet another Sussex lie, removing them further from the people they want to impress. Last month, Donald Trump waded into the controversy, suggesting that he might kick Harry out of the US if he wins a second term. The former president said that he wouldn't protect Harry because he'd betrayed the Queen. Trump said if he wins the election in November, then Harry will be on his own.